Checking recovery score, 62 this morning.
I'm at an 81.
Oh, wow.
I have an 85, so feeling pretty good this morning.
63 as well.
So you're in the green as well?
Oh, it's showing me yellow. But
What were your sleep scores?
sleep at 84.
84, I was 85.
Yeah, it's 70 for sleep.
Yeah, I beat you all, at least on this, 100%. So
there you go.
we are
Well done.
trying to get ready for today. Let's see how that translates into performance.
Nice, Carlos. The key to the game is levity.
Oh, that's a shot.
Yeah, that boy.
Hey, I'm not complaining.
Oh, that'll work.
Nice shot.
Let's go.
That's why we play. Oh, that's...
Yes, nice.
In the hole. So, Carlos, before Whoop, you were at Moderna. Did you have a good recovery score by the time you started at Whoop, or what did that look like?
I was a Whoop member before joining Whoop, but no, the growth at Moderna was exponential. And a lot of stuff that we did was pretty interesting, but very stressful at the same time. Recoveries were not pretty good, like usually below 50%. It was not as good as it is right now.
Nice toss, Zach.
I'm very lucky to have inherited a team at Whoop that was like pretty solid. We have 3 different teams, data platform, which is led by Peter. He has 2 teams there. We have the MLOps team and also the observability team. I trust everybody that we have on the team to do their job, to give me their best. Every day is a new priority, every day is a new goal. So I think that the key for this is to find your team where you have people that fill each other's gaps and then they complement each other, so they're good to work with.
It's about 10:10. Time for a little drink.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
There we go.
Nice and cool in here.
Fantastic. This is
Coors
perfect.
Light.
Let's make a step here. Hey, how are you?
How are you?
Please, talk. You have everything. Thank you.
Thank you.
Acoustics are a big part of the game.
Yep.
We process about 30 terabytes of data a day into Snowflake using Prefect. We used open source for I think a year or two before we moved to cloud. We like managing our own infrastructure when we can. We have really strict security requirements. But then we hit a point where we needed to be able to control authentications, the SSO layer on top of Prefect. We wanted to support. Like we had some pretty advanced questions about automations, notifications, and we were running to honestly some self-inflicted issues with scaling up how we ran flows.
Yeah.
So we just wanted some resources at Prefect to give us some best practices. And it's been a great transition. It was seamless to get onto cloud, and we've scaled up now. I think we have 5,000 or 6,000 jobs running a day, and it's been a good experience.
Yeah, for me, uptime means everything that you're doing is not interrupted. So if your flows are failing, you get notified right away.
So I guess it's not only just about making sure Prefect is up, but yeah, that if something's wrong with our flows, we know about it. I didn't think about that, yeah.
Exactly.
Halfway there, should we check our strain? Basically, the strain at Whoop measures your total strain accumulated over the course of an entire day.
So I'm at 11.1 and I'm at 5,000 steps. I've got 7.1 on my golf activity so far.
Which is great because did you start that activity or was auto-detected?
Auto.
Great. What about you, Zach?
I got you both beat. I'm at 13.9.
Wow.
Nice.
10,000 steps. That was mostly due to the run this morning.
Okay,
That makes sense.
pretty solid.
All right,
Yes.
so we've got 2
Yeah.
activities.
What about you, Peter?
I'm at 8.2 right now,
What about the steps?
and I've got 7,300 steps in total.
Nice. On my side, 4.5, a little bit over 5,600 steps.
No more cart for you. You gotta start jogging around.
Ready for the next hole?
Ready. Let's
Let's do it. We really focus on health span. How do we track your Whoop age, which is phenomenal because it takes into account everything that you do, all the activities, instead of like just be labeled as a wearable company.
Sure.
We want to make sure that the clinician in the loop, advanced labs, I think that really complements and pays a full circle about like data that we collect and how that translates into your health span.
At Prefect, we're focused on agentic workflows. We have Prefect Horizon, lets you add enterprise features to your MCP layer. And then on Prefect Cloud, we're focused on make agentic workflows first class. People traditionally have written Python. Pretty soon that's going to be natural language, but the same problems still apply. You need to make sure you can observe what your agents are doing. You need to know if they fail. A very similar problem space. So applying what we've already built in Prefect Cloud to the new agentic orchestration.
Get in.
All right, I'm up to 14.2
Wow.
and but feeling good.
It's a good workout.
I'm at 14.5.
Yeah, I was at 9.2 today on the day. Let's see, I had 9,100 steps.
Pretty solid. I stayed at 4.5, not a lot, and over 8,000 steps. So just pretty chill. But this is exactly what happens when you have like good rounds, solid partnerships, right? We like tools and friends and activities that are like always behind the scenes, but are always working, reliable. The tools that make us better. So pretty solid round. Good round, guys.
Super solid.
Yes.
Great round.
Thanks,
Well
guys.
done.
Enjoyed it.
Good playing.
Appreciate
Get
it.
around.